Welcome to Dr. Ayur's Lifeline Private Limited. We are here for a single mission, the ultimate health and wealth solution. The key is getting the right product solution. Dr. Ayur's Lifeline presents Super Celluris and Super Powerline. These products are a revolutionary combination of herbal extracts, targeting the cellular and molecular level. We use the purest form extracts, unique formulation, unique technology for maximum benefits. Now, let's talk about the biggest challenge, financial health. We are here for a healthy and wealthy family. This is more than a health solution. $5 trillion globally. Dr. Ayur's Lifeline will start giving you compensation as well as residual earning with good health. We are a company built on the power of 5Bs, belief in the company, product, network marketing, system, and yourself. So let's start talking about the great journey. Step 1. Choose your joining package. It's simple. The basic package is just 1,500 rupees, 1 bottle, 1,000 business volume. The star package is 5,000 rupees, 4 bottles, 3,500 BV. The best value is the ultimate package at 15,000 rupees, 15 bottles, 10,000 BV. Giving you the highest rewards potential. Earning method 2, direct sponsor. This income is based on your joining package. When you introduce someone, you earn instantly, and their commission will transfer within 24 hours. For maximum earning, choose an ultimate pack. Earning method 1, repurchase or retail profit, QPS. You earn a 500 rupee profit per sale, MRP 1,500 rupees, DP 1,000 rupees. For bulk orders, buy 5 products for 5,000 rupees and get 1 free. Order 10,000 rupees and you get 3 products free. Available only in Repurchase, Super Lifeline, Super Celluris, and Super Powerline. Third earning method, dual team matching bonus. The power leg is carried forward for lifetime. You never lose the effort of your largest team. In the ultimate pack, you can earn up to 30 lakhs monthly. Focus on balancing your teams, knowing your largest volume is secure. Vertical bar animated arrow showing the excess volume carry over lifetime. Fourth earning, indirect roll-up bonuses. The indirect roll-up and top-up bonus is only for the ultimate pack. This bonus has no capping and is an unlimited single leg bonus. This is passive income at its best. Choose ultimate pack for the biggest rewards and receive your earnings instantly via our 24-hour commission facility. For details on this income, please contact your business leader. Fifth earning, extra performance bonus. Unlock the bonuses by achieving balanced BV on both sides. For a star achiever matching 5,000 BV, both sides gets 1,000 rupees extra up to rupees 3,000. And for the ultimate pack, you can earn from 3,000 rupees UP to 20,000 rupee per day on your matching BV on both sides. This is designed to reward leaders who build deep, balanced teams. These are powerful reasons to go ultimate and build depth. Sixth earning, Infinity Team Check Match bonus, only for the ultimate package. It's a weekly closing bonus covering income from your third, fourth direct and above directs. The direct members from your second level to fourth level also get 10% income from their income. This bonus encourages powerful sponsorship and mentoring throughout your lines. Eighth earning method, Generation Bonus. It's a monthly closing and only valid for the ultimate package covering up to 4th generation. This includes bonuses from your direct team and down through the generations. Your first generation gets 5%, second generation gets 10% on their generation bonus. third generation gets 50% and fourth generation gets 100% on their generation bonus. This is truly lucrative generational wealth. Customer Loyalty Club Bonus. This is a big surprise. Repurchase at least one product a month. Shopping every month for 24 months continuously gets you a 10% of total company turnover amount, distributed equally to all club members for lifetime, year after year. Foreign Trip Bonus. Achieve 300 points on both sides. You earn points from every joining. Star package gets 0. 40 points and ultimate package gets 3 points. Is it a great one? Awards, rewards and ambassador rank. This is the path to create generational wealth. Reach star, 1 lakh rupees income for a Goa tour. Hit diamond, 50 lakhs rupees income and a car fund of 7 lakhs rupees. Achieve crown diamond, 1 crore rupees income and a house fund of 15 lakhs rupees. Our pinnacle is ambassador, 3 crore rupees income, which gives you 2% of the company's net profit, NP. This is true ownership and legacy. Build your team. We are introducing a new sector in network marketing, combining the best of modern science and Ayurveda. This is a world where your dreams come true in health and wealth. Your success depends on building a large, active team. Join today and focus on adding and mentoring team members on both your left. So why to delay? Call us now for the starting a Pioneer Club with lot more surprises.